Cardboard tube troll. Materials: cardboard tube, construction paper, scissors to use with a grown-up's help, glue, pencil, crayons. To make a cardboard tube troll, measure and cut out construction paper to completely cover the cardboard tube. For the best results, add an inch or two to the height of the construction paper so that the paper extends above one end of the cardboard tube. Glue the construction paper around the cardboard tube body. Measure and cut out a square of construction paper that is long enough to wrap around the cardboard tube. With scissors, create long cuts at even intervals across the length of the paper, stopping an inch from the bottom of the paper. This is the hair of the troll. Another option for troll hair is to fold the bottom third of the square of construction paper, and then with scissors, create long cuts at even intervals, stopping an inch from the bottom to make two-tiered hair. Wrap and glue the troll hair around one end of the cardboard tube. With construction paper the same color as the paper wrapped around the cardboard tube, draw two large troll ears and cut them out. Create an edge on the flat side of the paper troll ears and glue them on either side of the cardboard tube. With scraps of construction paper, cut out eyes, nose, and a mouth for your troll. You can also cut out pupils, eyebrows, and teeth if you want. Glue them onto your troll. To accessorize your troll, cut out a bow, tie, or even flowers from construction paper. Glue the accessories onto your troll. Now you have a cardboard tube troll. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media. #AppletonMuseum@home.